Want to get rid of preview lag in After Effects? Let's dive in. Most users struggle with preview lag in After Effects, even users with high-end hardwares. In today's video, I'll show you how to get rid of preview lag in After Effects using these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Purge your cache. If you've been working in After Effects for a while now, your cache has been bloated and it's time to clear it. So go to Edit and purge all your cache. Step 2. Change your cache settings. Go to Edit, Preference and the Media and Cache. Allocate as much as you can. According to many forums, 50 GB plus is recommended, but you can allocate it depending on what amount of storage you have. Just make sure not to allocate all your storage, cause it will create more problems than it will solve. Final step, change your preview settings to quarter third to have a smoother playback. But if you want to preview in export quality, you could set it to full. Just make sure you tick the cache before playback button. Although in this case, the smoothness will depend on how much RAM you have available. I hope this video helped you fix your preview lag. If yes, then drop a like and subscribe. If you have any more problems related to After Effects Premiere Pro, just let me know in the comments and I'll try to make a video solving them.